Hi, welcome to your favorite recipe. This is Yuna. I am excited to show you this pasta dish that breaks all kinds of rules. You're like, what do you mean by that? Watch until the end and you're gonna watch this delicious pasta dish. I came across this recipe from Marion's kitchen and her recipe looked amazing. And in fact, her video has like over 4 million views on this recipe. So I got my water boiling already and I have my spaghetti, right? A little too long, but that's okay. I'm busy because I got some work to do here. So the first thing, I got 4 garlic cloves, it's asking for, and finely chopped. So I also saw that she sliced her garlic, so I'm doing that. And of course, we're gonna chop some garlic too, but we need both of this. So now you see this garlic juice all hanging out here. And I'm just going to mash this all together. I'm going to grate our cheese because we're going to use some of this. So that much is good. Wow, where did that come? Look at this mountain amount of cheese. So while the pasta's boiling, I'm going to come over here and we're gonna make our garlic oil. 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And earlier, I sliced some garlic and we're gonna use that. Garlic has very low heat point as well, so you don't wanna be like burning this in a way. So you just want this to get the garlic smell and the extract out of that. And I'm going to fry this until they turn about golden at the edges, not brown. And that is like, between the color from golden to brown happens in a matter of seconds, so you gotta watch your heat. While pasta's cooking, I'm going to add my rest of butter, garlic, and chili flakes. So how much butter do we need? 75 grams. Oh my God. So this is, whole stick is 113 grams, and I have about this much. And I added just half of that, so I just need another 3 tablespoons or so. Okay, so I'm starting to see my butter turn slightly brown, and this is where I'm like, okay, relax. Here goes in our garlic. And then we got our 1 teaspoon chili flakes. So let's get that going. And we're really creating this garlicky, buttery chili oil essentially. So what's gonna happen from here on, 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I have also 2.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, how do I describe the flavor of it? It doesn't taste like fish. It's fantastic on fried rice, fantastic on, Asian dishes, generally speaking. It tastes, let me just explain. It smells like shrimpy a little bit, but not in a nasty way, like not shrimpy. When it meets the soy sauce, it creates a completely different chemistry. And I'm gonna let that hang out for a little bit because that's what we need. All right, so our pasta is perfect. And actually, we're going to reserve some of our pasta water. So from here on, it works out great. I'm just gonna add in our pasta and everything. Because you don't want this to be watery. You want this to be very thick, like a sauce. The pasta water is already very starchy, so it'll help thicken the sauce significantly. Now, we already chopped up our green onions and I need to do more of that. So while that's hanging out here, it'll take me 5 seconds to do it. So I'm just going to go ahead and come here and slice our and done. Okay, we're done. Now what I'm going to do, just turn off our heat because this is the thickness I'm looking for. And then we're gonna add in our green onion, leave some for garnishing it at the very top. This is our finished buttery, oh my gosh, garlicky, and soy sauce and oyster sauce and chili flakes. Oh my God, it smells so gorgeous. Can't believe I'm describing the smell as gorgeous. Now I'm just going to top this off with additional scallions. This is our finished product. I hope you make this because it smells irresistible. Oh my gosh. And it's definitely a crowd pleaser. You can make a whole pot of it and add some shrimp, chicken, even steak, tofu, whatever protein option that you want to have. Every Tuesday, I upload a new video at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. If you like this video, I want you to hit the subscribe button for me and give me a thumbs up so I know that you're liking it and you're enjoying watching this. I hope that you make this once again because it smells so freaking good. And I will see you next Tuesday.